In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram post in Canva. Let's start right from the Canva dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, you'll land on the main home screen. This is your control center where you can access all your projects, recent designs, and different content types. Make sure you're on this main dashboard before moving on, so everything looks familiar and easy to follow. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the menu column and click on the option labeled Templates. This section is where Canva stores ready-made layouts for all kinds of content. Even though we're going to start with a blank design, going through templates first helps you get to the correct format for Instagram. At the top of the templates page, click into the search bar and type Instagram post. Canva will suggest different options as you type, but you're specifically looking for the standard Instagram post format, which is a square design. Now, click on the result that says Instagram post. This tells Canva that you want to work with the correct dimensions for a typical Instagram feed post, usually a square format that fits perfectly without cropping. Once that opens, look for the option that says Create a blank Instagram post and click on it. Instead of using a pre-made layout, this gives you a clean, empty canvas, so you have full creative control over your design. You'll now see a blank square page in the center of your screen. Click anywhere on that page to activate it. This just ensures that anything you add next will appear on this canvas. Next, move back to the left-hand column and click on Elements. Here you can add shapes, graphics, animations, photos, frames, grids, videos, audio, forms, mockups, and charts. You can click and drag any element onto your canvas. Resize it by dragging the corners and move it around until it looks right. This is where you start building the visual structure of your post. When you're ready to add words, click on Text in that same left-hand menu. You can choose to add a heading, subheading, or body text. Type in your message, then adjust the font, size, color, and alignment using the toolbar at the top. Try to keep your text short and clear so it's easy to read on a phone screen. If you want to use your own photos or brand assets, click on Uploads in the left column. From here, you can upload images or videos from your device, then drag them onto your design. You can layer them with elements and text to create a polished layout. Once your design looks the way you want, go to the top right corner and click on Share. This is where you prepare to export your post. From the menu that appears, choose Download. A panel will open where you can set your download options. Click on the file type drop-down and choose the format you prefer, for example PNG or JPG, which are both great for Instagram. After selecting your file type, click on Download again. Canva will process your design and save it to your device, ready for you to upload directly to Instagram.